Oh, so this is the next boss. Oh yeah, I was correct. Yeah, me. Why is it dark in here? Hang on. Turn on the bigger lights. Oh, thanks, Orange Bird. You're welcome. Now, what? Anyways, oh, word. Hello, birds. My name is Brown. My name is Orange, and we're brothers from Reese's Monkey. You know, the Reese's, not the crazy guys like they're Reese's. Oh, anyways. Plus, do you see that kangaroo guy? He's just come in and stole our eggs. You see him? We're buddies of him. Yeah, you just see me in the next episode. Shut up, brother. You shut up. Well, let's get through this. Another Angry Bird boss battle. Actually, we're going to start at, but this is still season. And Warber, let's just do it. Boss battle. Brown and orange. Here I go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ow. How dare you. Boop. It did do its thing to me. Yuck! What's this egg going to do? Oh. Pow! Ow! Ow, that really hurt. Alright. How dare you! How dare you attack a prairie! Oh, darn it, roll! Oh! Oink! Oink! Rhino smash! I thought he meant. Oh, I thought Rhino's awake, bro. What? Wow, I thought it was a fun watch. What the heck? You was just playing some series or whatever. Ow! Ow, that really freaking hurt. How dare you die? So good. Round down already. Koopa. Go, Koopa. Donkey Kong. Yeah, Donkey Kong. I'm gonna take you. Alright. I'm using my spin attack. Ow, my mommy. Alright, Wiper, ready? Yup. Ow. Ow, stop hitting me with those freaking eggs. It's not really gonna affect me. Oh my goodness, there's a midget red. Hallelujah. What was that? And whatever. Reload. No. I'm down. I'm not dead. Run away. We found you, master. I guess we will, what the heck? Boss battle time. Now let's fight. Ow. It's not doing damage. You thought you might defeat me? I'm gonna beat you up. Traitors. Ow. Ow. Stop hitting me. Ow. Can you stop hurting us? No. You're no match for me. Have a bomb. Oh, what the heck is that? Ooh. Ow. I'm gonna blow up with some other place. Die. Oh crap, I just dropped the gun. Oh, better idea. No, orange.
Ow, that must have hurt. Hey, what are you about to do?
No, leave me alone. No. Wow, that was easy. Actually, it's not. Just come on, let's go. Ow, man, that just hurt. I just hit a wall. Alright, onwards. Yay. I guess.
Ah, not this time. Take this, you. Take this, you beast.
Leave me alone. I'm a freaking baby. So leave me alone, jerks. Freaking jerks. Trying to hit me because I'm a freaking baby. I think I should know. You missed. Oink!
Oh, wait, I'm supposed to not be here.
So, Angry Birds, who do you think might be a next boss? I hope it's not sucky. I hope it's not sucks like the other bosses. Hello, children. Oh, come on. What's up with you, Ice Cube? You just like coming out and say he's a magical pony flying through the sky and a bunch of crap like that. Oh, I have different powers. Ow!
Put him in the cage, friggin' birds.
Huh? Die, Ice King. You can't kill me. I'm freaking immortal. Actually, let's just fight and see. Ow! Ow! Gareth! Die! 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 Vice! Ow! And so... what's up, you young whippersnappers? What the...
Hi, how are you doing today? My name is Toad.
Alright, Ice King, are you dead? You defeat the Ice King, but I will be back. Oh crap. Hi, Ice King, no! This is worse than Drew Pickles. Wow, that was easy. Now, moving on.